Hello, welcome to the Connections demo series where we walk you through step-by-step guides on how to use the Connections application. In this video, we're going to be walking you through how to set up and send a discount connection. Starting from the dashboard, I want to navigate to the connection setup page by using the top navigation bar and selecting discount. This page gives me step-by-step instructions on what I need to do before I can send the connection. Jumping into step 1, I'm able to select the discount from a list that I want to highlight in my connection. These discounts are pre-created from the Shopify store. So you can see I've pre-created one already. Once I select my discount step 1, I can jump to step 5 to see that all of this discount information was automatically populated in the viewer on the right-hand side of the screen. It pulls in all of the information related to that discount. So I can see that this discount is 20% off all products. It pulls in the code, some of the current terms and conditions, and includes a Shop Now button. It also automatically populates some of my store's information, like my store slogan, the logo, any linked social media, as well as any other information on your store, such as your address. The viewer in step 5 also allows me to preview my connection in other formats. Right now I'm previewing what it looks like as an email, but I can also jump between a social media post and a text message. At the current time, the text messaging feature is not available for the discount connection. But if I jump back to my email, I'm also able to send a test email. I can send a test email to myself, or I can type in any other email that I'd like to send the test to. If I jump to my social media post, at the top of the viewer, you can see this is the message that goes with the post. And in step 2, I can go ahead and customize that message to whatever I want it to say. For this example, I can change it to new store discount. And you can see it automatically updates on the right. Once I'm happy with my social media message, I can move on to step 3 and select the destination for my connection. There are several options that we can choose to send our connection to. I can send it to an email or social media, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, text messaging is currently not available for this type of connection. So for this example, I can go ahead and send an email connection as well as a connection to Facebook. Now that the destination is selected, I can go ahead and choose to schedule my connection. I have the option to either send it now or send it at a later date. If I choose to send it at a later date, I can select the exact date and time to send my connection, and during this date and time, it'll automatically go out. Moving on to step 5, I want to confirm I'm happy with the connection before I send it. So because I'm sending an email and a social media post to Facebook, I want to confirm I'm happy with these two connections. So starting with the email, I'll just want to confirm that all of the information is correct and I'm happy with it. And the same thing with my social media post. I will note that this viewer is not a design editor, so you cannot change the colors or formatting from this page. To select different templates that have different types of formattings and different color schemes, I can go up to settings and click on templates, as there are several different types of templates that you can choose from that'll really change the look and feel of your connections. Once I confirmed I'm happy with both of my email and social media connections, in step 6, all I have to do is hit send. By clicking send, this pulls up one final pop-up window that gives me some information about my connection. It tells me exactly how many customers I'm sending my connections to. So you can see I'm sending email messages to 3 customers, and I'm also sending 1 social media post to Facebook. It also gives me information about the date and time my connection is scheduled to go out. I also have a note at the bottom of the window that says I may use the queue function to cancel my connection if needed. So when I click yes here, I have 5 minutes to go to the queue, view my connection, and cancel it if I'm unhappy. I can also see that 2 connections were successfully sent to the queue. 1, my email connection, and 2, my Facebook connection. To navigate to the queue, I just need to use my top navigation bar and select queue. The queue consists of a list of all of my previously sent connections, and it also gives me some information such as the type of connections that were sent, when they were sent, if they were completed, canceled, etc. So at the top you can see here my email connection as well as my Facebook connection. Now, like I said, you have 5 minutes before the connection is officially sent to view it and cancel it. What's nice about the queue is that I can see an exact preview of what my connection is going to look like. So if I decide that I'm unhappy with one of these connections, I can go ahead and hit cancel, and that'll cancel my connection and it will not be sent. After waiting 5 minutes and refreshing the page, I can see that my email connection that I canceled was in fact canceled, and my Facebook connection was completed at 7:52. It's also important to note that your connections will only be sent to your customers who accept email marketing. This has been a step-by-step walkthrough on how to manually set up and send a discount connection. For more information on the Connections applications, feel free to visit www.mycustomerconnections.com, or if you have any additional questions, email support@genetec.freshdesk.com. Thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.